Hi, good day. I have here a speaker from Edifier. This speaker has a Bluetooth. You may connect through wireless or wired connection. Let's take off first the bubble wrap. The speaker has 2.1 Bluetooth multimedia speakers system. Supports AUX audio inputs for different types of media devices. 100% wooden subwoofer with 4 bass driver and with side-mounted volume adjustment for easy controls. Now, let's test. So my honest review on this speaker is the subwoofer is loud. It's quite enough for home theater room, but the two speaker not so good. Sometimes the music on their voices are too low and not clear because of the bass overlapping the clarity of the voice. The outside test tells different story. The results is poor performance, so therefore if you buy this one, this should be used inside the room only. On its price, you get what you pay for. It cost around $35. In Philippine money it cost around 1,800 pesos for its Bluetooth maybe. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.